we're going to find the general solution to each differential equation. Always start out by separating your variables. So I'm going to multiply both sides by y squared and by dx. And so the y squareds cancel out over here and the dx cancels out over here. So you get y squared dy equals -1 plus x squared dx. Now you can integrate, because we have y's with y's and x's with x's. This is 1/3 y cubed. This is -1x plus x to the third over 3 plus c. C goes with the x's. To turn it into an actual solution, we need to solve for y. So multiply by 3. And I'm just changing my constant because I know it's different than that original constant, but it's still a constant. And then you take the third root. And there's no way to solve this unless we give us more information. That's why it's a general solution. We need an x and a y to find a specific solution. Particular. Okay, same thing here. I want to get x's with x's and y's with y's. So I multiply both sides by dx and I divide by e to the y. So over here the e to the y's cancel out. The dx's cancel out. So I have dy e to the -y. I'm writing that as a negative exponent equals 2x dx. And I guess I should put the e to the y out front here, but you're going to integrate. The integral of e to the -y, the integral of e to the -y is e to the -y. I need a -1 out front to make sure that the signs match up. If you do a u substitution, you will let u equal -1 and been good to go. This is x squared plus c. So we got to start solving for y. Multiply both sides by -1. And then I'm going to take the natural log. So I have -y equals natural log of -x squared plus c1. And then the last thing would be to multiply by -1. So y equals negative natural log of -x squared plus c1, or c1 minus x squared. And that is the general solution. You need more information to find particular solution. Now we are going to do some particular solutions. So it says find the particular. Start out with the same process, but then we're going to plug in our point. Remember, this is the point -3, -1/12. And so I'm going to plug that in after I integrate and find c. So I'm going to multiply both sides by dx and divide by y squared. So I have dy over y squared equals 2x dx. This is not a log because it's the second power. It's just y to the -2 dy equals 2x dx. So I integrate both sides. Raise this by 1 becomes y to the -1, divide by the power equals x squared plus c. So right here is where I'm going to plug in so I can find c. I'll bring it over here. Now this is the same as -1. If I move the negative and put the y in the denominator, so -1 over -1/12 equals 9 plus c. -1 over -1/12 is 12. So c equals 3. Go back to your general equation and plug in for c. And then you just need to solve for y. So multiply both sides by -1. New constant. And then take the reciprocal of both sides to get the y to where you want it to be. There you go. There's your equation. Again, particular solution. Multiply both sides by y squared and dx. So you have y squared dy equals x dx. Integrate. there's my general solution. That's a solution differential equation, and I need to plug in my point, which is 3 third root of 124 over 2. So nice that we are cubing the third root, which means it's an inverse. When you cube the third root of 124, you get 124. So this is 1/3 124 over 8 equals 9/2. And so now it's just arithmetic to find C. That's 1/3 times, you can take a 4 out of each of those, 31 over 2, 9/2 plus C. I'm going to let you subtract that on the side. C equals 2/3. Go back to your general. And now it's specific for the point they gave us. Got to multiply by 3. Take the third root. Again, kind of messy, but we just need it in that form. You can probably leave it in this y cubed form and you'd be good to go.